Alright guys, I thought about it and I'm gonna finish up this chapter for you guys. We're actually right at the end, so this part's only gonna be like, I don't know, 5 minutes, but it's gonna take me a little bit. Oh, this is like an old-fashioned Resident Evil game also, with the sewers. So, there's a reason why I told you to keep the crown, because you're gonna need it later. Okay. That was actually Salazar's right-hand man. You gotta be very careful. So, he loves to try to get the jump on you, so you gotta be extra careful against him. Go through the door. Okay. So, yeah. Run through here. Here's what you're gonna do though. That's weird. You just busted through the door. You're gonna take out your rocket though. Here's what I do. Take out the rocket right away, because you're just gonna keep on running. And he's gonna pop up once you get to about here, I think, or is it? Yeah, here. But right here, yeah. So he loves to do doubles on me for some reason. I still don't know why, but it's freaking annoying. So here's what you're gonna do. You're actually gonna go turn on the power. Alright, be careful here, because he's gonna come around the corner. He's gonna try to fuck you up, basically. So this boss fight's gonna be, it's an easy boss fight too. So power. Alright, so it's gonna not open for it. There he is. He looks like Predator, I know. So here he comes. Run around him. Then now, knock this over and take out the rocket. Then booyah! And he dies in one hit. There you go. There's a reason why I told you to keep the crown. Put that. Alright, let's go to Key Treasures. This crown, right here, you combine it here, you keep it throughout the entire time. There's a reason why. Alright, so the elevator goes on. There's no one in the elevator, so the chapter ends as soon as you get to the elevator, I think. So, it's not a problem. But, so yeah, go down that hallway, right there, you can get items that can help you in this boss fight. But, it's a simple boss fight. And if you go into this door, you're screwed, because the only way out is through there, and you're not going to be able to get out with him. Let me organize this a little. Okay, so you're going to go through here. You know what? I'll do the rest of,
It seems that Salazar is having difficulty taming the American pig. Salazar had his chance. Krauser, go get the girl. Oh, and, dispose of the swine while you're at it. Consider it done.
Krauser. Now he's a wonderful chap. Let me tell you. Krauser, he can be a douche. You don't encounter him in the castle. You encounter him later in the game. But let me give you a background on Krauser for a little bit too. He was in Darkside Chronicles, and if you can't see my TV below, like on where my TV's standing, that's the game he was in. And people wanted to figure out what did he do in Resident Evil before Resident Evil 4. Okay, so people have been telling me, what is the shooting range? So you're gonna find out what the shooting range is. It's a hard thing to do. Like, it's difficult. Okay, so there's a note. It's about the shooting range. Alright, so we're gonna go.
Welcome.
Okay, so we're gonna try out rapid fire. How does the shotgun fall into rapid fire? I don't know. Okay, so this one you get a limited supply of ammo. Oh, it's the castle. Alright, so let's go with A. So, I suggest always get headshots. Oh. And you can move around. Damn it. Reload. Alright, now the targets are going to move. Behind Ashley. So if you shoot Ashley, you basically lose all your points. Come on. Shit! I just lost all my points. Alright. I think it's 2,000 you get, let's go with B. Oh my god, I am terrible with this gun. Alright, good. I don't know why the women are... Alright, now the targets are going to move. Cool! Alright, so I got a prize. And the prize you get is bottle caps. So I'm going to go with game type C. Don't know what that is. So your prize is always going to be a bottle cap. Or I think it evolved to when you get to 2,000. Shit! So I basically just lost all my points because of that. So when that pops up, you do not want to shoot the back. Now I gotta work on getting my points back by getting headshots every time. Ah. Yeah, it was so close. Okay, so let's go to C again. I'm gonna stand in this corner right here. So I get a better accuracy here. Like if you shoot a specific point, it'll... So when he lasts, do not shoot that back wall. At least try not to. Alright, so I'm going to move over here, do a quick shot. Alright, so reload time. Now Ashley's not going to pop up. Ah! Alright, so that's enough for the shooting gallery, but that's what it is. And so, basically, let's end the game. Alright, one bottle cap. I'll show you the bottle caps right now. Okay, bottle caps are right here. Let's see what I got. Which one's new? I don't know which one's new. I got these ones right here. These. Oh, this guy's new, I think. No, he's not. Oh, this guy is the new one. Here's that one. And I got JJ, I got, yeah. So, that's it, basically everybody. So, that was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the shooting gallery. And yeah. Let me see how much time that was. Yeah, so that was the shooting gallery. I'm gonna end the part here. So let me save it. Okay. I will see you guys later. Ow. I'll see you guys.